Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is a video to show you how to replace your wireless remote receiver of an '04 Toyota Sequoia. I've searched for this video online and all the outlets and I couldn't find a video, and I was able to just figure it myself by looking at the diagram, which I'll post in the link or description below. So it's pretty easy. I found it the hard way, but I'll be able to show you where it is and how to take it off and to replace that. So come on along with this journey. So first off, I had to take a whole lot of things out, but I realized that you can actually find it if you take this little what do you call storage area out here, and I can show you that the receiver is literally right here. This is the receiver right there. It's a little bit tight to get it from here, so we probably have to take off this center console. So let's go on and take off the center console. Great, so now we have our center console removed. So now we can access our controller right there. So as you can see, there it goes right in there. You just take your 10mm and then you remove it and replace it with a new one. Yeah, so I hope this video has been able to help you replace your wireless remote control. So just share, like, and subscribe. Look out for more on this channel for more stuff. Thank you for watching. Bye for now.